how to fix the something went wrong on YouTube error message. So if you're having issues playing a video on YouTube and you're seeing this error, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve the issue. Now, first thing you need to do is open up the settings on your phone, and then we're just going to scroll down to airplane mode and go and turn this on. You'll then need to wait around 10 seconds and then you can try turning this back off. Now, sometimes just doing that alone can solve the issue. If it's still not working and you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, what I would recommend doing is turning off the Wi-Fi and try using your cellular data instead. If you're already using your cellular data, you can try turning on the Wi-Fi and you can try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Now, if neither of these methods work, then go and open back up the settings on your phone, and then we're going to scroll down to General and click on this. You can then click on iPhone storage, and then you'll just need to scroll down until you see YouTube in the list. Once you've found YouTube, click on it and click on Offload app, and then press Offload. Now, after a couple of seconds, you'll have the option to reinstall the app. Click on this, and once it's been reinstalled, you can try opening up YouTube and check if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you can try doing is force closing all of the apps on your iPhone. So if you just go and swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen, you could then go and swipe up on the YouTube app, and you also need to do this with any apps that are running in the background, so make sure to close out of all of these. Once everything's closed, you can try opening back up YouTube and check if that solves the issue. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, there is one final solution. So go and open up the settings, scroll down to General and click on this. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then press Reset Network Settings. You then just need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. Once your settings have been reset, you can just go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. You can then open up YouTube, and that should have now solved the issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.